Hi, I'm Todd Aylesworth with Kleen Pressure Washing, and we're out at a house here in University Park in Sarasota, where we just put an application of our green soap on the roof, utilizing the drone. As you see from this property, there's a lot of nice vegetation. There's no gutters, and so when we talked to the homeowner here, we talked about the options for cleaning the roof, and the most common is to get on the roof. As far as chemical goes, the most common is a chlorine-based product. And as you often know, and this customer was concerned, that chlorine can cause issues with plants. Now, when we do it, we take precautions, but given there's no gutters, there's a likelihood that there would be some runoff and it would be some impact on the plants. So what this customer chose was our green soap, which is a time-release product. So we're here on day one. The roof has turned brown, which may not look like a positive, but it actually is showing that the chemical has activated. And each time it rains, the product will reactivate and the roof will become more clean. So the green roof underneath, we'll get you some footage over the weeks here as this product continues to work. Her other concern was she didn't want anybody being on the roof. And so our drone is the perfect solution to making sure we can utilize a cleaner and nobody stepping foot on the roof, none of those concerns that go with that. So in this case, we applied the green soap. That's not always, we do have the chlorine-based products are an instant gratification. The roof would be clean and green by this point. But enjoy watching the footage of kind of time release, how this works. Have an opportunity to have us clean and have some patience to see it work, we'd be glad to come out and give you an estimate. Just let us know you're interested in green soap. Thank you.